welcome to 5-Minute Family Fun Time. I'm Miss Jen, and I'm here at the Edison Public Library, where we're going to do a very famous Aesop fable, The Tortoise and the Hare. Let's start with our self-made finger puppets. Once upon a time, a hare was making fun of the tortoise for being very slow. "You're so slow that sloths tell you to pick up the pace."
"You make fun of me all you want, but I won't allow you to make fun of another. Someone needs to teach you a lesson."
"How are you going to do that?"
"A race."
"A race? Are you kidding me?"
"Not at all. I am serious about teaching you that lesson."
"Oh, how about we meet tomorrow, right here at noon? Are you sure you can make it here on time?" The hare was much amused at the idea of running a race with the tortoise that he laughed himself as he let all the other creatures know about the race. And so the next day, everyone was there, including a happy hare and a timid tortoise, counting down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! A little while after leaving the tortoise in the dust, the hare started to feel silly and a little sleepy. He lay down beside the dirt road in the grass and started counting the clouds to give the tortoise time to catch up. The hare laid in the grass and started to count the clouds. 1, 2. That one looks like a bunch of carrots. And that is the trophy they are going to give me when I win the... And so the hare fell fast asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept a slow and steady pace right past the sleeping hare. Just as it started to finish line, hare will go, "Oh no!" "Oh yes, huzzah!" The hare had run as fast as he could, but tripped over a root just as he neared the finish line, and the tortoise crossed the finish line at a slow and steady pace. Huzzah! "I'm sorry. I guess I should have tried better, and I should have been nicer to everyone."
"That's exactly what I wanted to teach you."
So now we are going to learn how to make our own finger puppet. So I want you to print the PDF that comes with this event. You have a tortoise and you have a hare. So now we're going to color in the tortoise. Okay, color your tortoise and color your hare. Okay, I colored mine. Then you're going to cut out your tortoise and you're going to cut out your hare. You don't have to do it exact. Just cut as well as you can around the edges. Okay, now we have one tortoise puppet. You're going to take some tape and you're going to put it around your finger, like so, okay? And you're going to wrap it around, and you're going to press down and put some tape. And now you have a finger puppet for the finger. And you can tell stories just like I did of the tortoise and the hare.